Hello friends, welcome to my channel ELS English Literature Studies with Kaur Harpreet. Today I will discuss some MCQs which are related to English literature, right? And these MCQs are based on those questions or those content which I've already discussed in my previous video. So if you are a regular on my channel, then it will be easy for you to understand or answer these MCQs. So let us start with today's video. My first question is, Samuel Langhorne Clemens wrote under the pen name of. Options are given: Saki, Mark Twain, O. Henry, or none of these. You have to tick that Samuel Clemens wrote under which pen name. Right now, what is a pen name? Most of you, I think, you must be aware of what is pen name, but let me tell you that pen name is a name, especially we can say a fake name, and this name is used by authors to publish their works instead of using their real name, right? For example, George Eliot used pen name Mary Evans. Then Bronte sisters also used this pen name. So you have to mention Samuel Clemens pen name, and answer of this question is Mark Twain, right? Now my second question is, the name of the host in the prologue to the Canterbury Tales by Chaucer is. Again, options are given. I've discussed the Canterbury Tales in my previous videos. I think second or third last video in that I've discussed the Canterbury Tales in brief. So you have to name the host in the prologue to the Canterbury Tales by Chaucer, and the right answer is Harry Bailey, right? Harry Bailey is host at the Tabergin. It is he who puts the whole group of pilgrims up when they stop on their way to Canterbury, right? And he had so much fun on his way that he comes up with the idea of competition of tale telling, and he then becomes the host for the journey, right? So option C is the right answer. Then question number 3, the age of Pope is also called as the Restoration Age, the Augustan Age, Classical Age, or Age of Sensibility. Again, age of Pope is already discussed by me, and questions related to Alexander Pope are also discussed with full-fledged notes, right? The age of Pope is also called as the Augustan Age. Why? Why it is called so? It is called so because Pope was the dominating figure in that period, right? And we can say that there are other important workers also in earlier part of the 10th century, like Addison and Swift, but Pope was the only one who devoted himself completely to literature, right? That is why the age of Pope is also known as the age of Augustine, and moreover, he served as a model for others, and he represented all the main features of this age. That is why the answer of this question is option B. Then question number 4 is, who contributed to the largest number papers to the Spectator? Who contributed to the largest number papers to the Spectator? Addison, Steele, Swift, or Dr. Johnson? Again, I have videos on the Spectator and the Tatler. You can also check those videos if you are interested, right? So the right answer for this question is option A, that is Addison. Question number 5. In The Faerie Queene, Spenser has employed the verse form terzarima, octave rhyme, heroic couplet, and Spenserian stanza. In The Faerie Queene, which is the verse form employed by Spenser? And the right answer is option D, Spenserian stanza. Videos related to Spenser and its stanza and terzarima all are already on my channel, right? Then question number 6. Who among the undermentioned poets, Chaucer, Milton, Spenser, Shakespeare, who among them is regarded as the poet's poet? Who is regarded as the poet's poet? Options are Chaucer, Milton, Spenser, and Shakespeare. Answer is option C, Spenser. Question number 7. Which of these plays of Shakespeare is not a tragedy? Answer is Twelfth Night. Question number 8. Restoration period saw the rise of Heroic tragedy, classical tragedy, domestic tragedy, or Shakespeare tragedy. Restoration period saw the rise of which type of tragedy? Answer is A, heroic tragedy, right? Question number 9. The characters of restoration comedies are largely flat, characters are flat, or characters are lifeless, or characters are living characters, or option D is types. The characters of restoration comedies are largely, answer D, option D is the answer, types. Then question number 10. Which play of Shakespeare is said to be his most delightful comedy? Options are given: As You Like It, Twelfth Night, Much Ado About Nothing, and Midsummer Night's Dream. Which is the most delightful comedy? Option is B, Twelfth Night. Question number 11. In which month was the Canterbury pilgrimage described by Chaucer in his The Canterbury Tales to be undertaken? Answer is the month of April. Option C. 12th question. Restoration means the restoration of king, right? Restoration means the restoration of king. Which king to the British throne? Charles First, Second, James First, or George First? Is it Charles First, James First, or George First, or Charles Second? Restoration means the restoration of king Charles II to the British throne. So the right answer is option B, Charles II. Then question number 13 is, this quote is said about whom? He never takes liberties with historical facts as Shakespeare does, but is accurate to the smallest details. This has been said about whom? Marlowe, Ben Jonson, Webster, or Beaumont? He never takes liberties with historical facts as Shakespeare does, right? But is accurate to the smallest details. Right answer is option B, Ben Jonson. Question number 14. The source of Milton's Paradise Lost chiefly lies in. What is the source of Milton's Paradise Lost? Classical epics, the Bible, Anglo-Saxon Chronicle, or Old English texts? Which one is the source of Milton's Paradise Lost? Main source. Answer is option B, the Bible. Now friends, this is my last question. Point out the group of poets which does not belong to the 20th century. Imagism, Pre-Raphaelites, New Signatures, or Georgians? Point out the group of poets which does not belong to the 20th century. So the right answer is Pre-Raphaelites. Answer is option B. Pre-Raphaelites, this topic is discussed in detail on my channel, and on Kindle and Amazon. My book on Pre-Raphaelites is also available. If you're interested, you can check that also. So friends, this is all about today's topic. These are the answers. If you are interested to recheck your answers, I hope you will like the content, and if you like it, please hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel, and if you are new to my channel, please hit the bell button so that you can get notifications for my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot for watching.